waiting longer. I wish I could help you somehow. Jesus makes you fast now. Little squirrels preparing for the winter in July. Your dreams await you on the other line. But you're too scared to do anything. Structure mind.